This repair video for the P0110 error code is specifically tailored for Honda drivers. If your Honda is showing up P0110 code, this is for you. This engine code indicates that the engine control module ECM is receiving a faulty voltage signal from the IAT sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IAT sensor. Dirty or clogged air filter. Air leaks. Damaged wiring or connectors. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. The IAT sensor. The IAT sensor could be on the throttle body attached right to the intake manifold first. Carefully remove the IAT sensor from the vehicle, visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed a test on the IAT sensor in order to get a correct reading. Check your owner's manual to see the specific IAT sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the IAT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. The air filter. Find the air filter housing. It's usually a black plastic box. Open the cover to see the air filter inside. Take out the old filter and remember how it was placed. Clean out any dirt or debris inside. Then put in the new filter the same way the old one came out. Make sure the edges are sealed properly, then close the cover and put back the clips or screws. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Acura, Nissan, Ford, Mitsubishi, Infiniti, Mercedes, Toyota, and Honda. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.